This is our Revitalize and Rejuvenate Tincture. I'm so excited about this tincture, and this is one of the ones that I was the most excited to grow and to make. It features Milk Thistle, Burdockroot, and Chicory. Chicory aids in digestion, which is what it's going to fix. It's a really smart herb that will fix your digestion before moving on to the fluid in your body, helping to detox in that area. Burdock is an essential and excellent detox agent for the bladder, the urinary tract, and the kidneys. And milk thistle is excellent for liver rejuvenation. Milk thistle is the only remedy known for taking the death cap mushroom, this toxic mushroom that's available in the world, because of its levels of vitamin A and also having the ability to repair, restore, and regenerate the liver. We found it impertinent to add to this blend. This is an excellent blend for anyone who is looking to rebalance the interior of their body through detoxification. If you start here, it's really going to help you on the journey. And one of the greatest things about this is that it's super easy to take. You can take it under the tongue directly or add it to tea, coffee, juice, water. It's incredibly versatile. You can have it at any temp. And a little goes a long way. Just one full dropper once or twice a day is all you need to get the benefits. Thank you so much. I am CanDace, the founder and formulator of Louloudi Skincare. Have a great day.